Are you looking for the best miter saws in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best miter saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Dual 12-inch Double-Bevel Sliding Compound DW780. The Dual 12-inch Double-Bevel Sliding Compound DW780 is a reliable miter saw offering solid cutting capabilities and a good range of features for precise work. Its design is straightforward, making it suitable for a variety of miter cutting tasks, and it's well suited for both professional use and dedicated DIers. The saw is user-friendly, with a simple calibration process, easy adjustments, and a blade change system that doesn't require too much effort. The shadow cut line is a practical addition that aids in setting up cuts with greater accuracy. The model cuts precisely out of the box and tends to hold its calibration over time. It is a good fit for those with enough space to house it and who expect consistent performance from their tools. Up next in the 4th place is the SKIL 10-inch Dual-Bevel Sliding Compound IS16305. The SKIL 10-inch Dual-Bevel Sliding Compound IS16305 is a reasonably priced tool with impressive cutting capabilities. Capable of executing cross-cuts through a 2x12 lumber and a 45-degree miter cut on a 2x8. This saw meets and exceeds the needs of most home DIY projects. It's user-friendly and offers a straightforward experience with features such as easy miter angle adjustments and a detent override. The LED shadow cut line should enhance accuracy and overall craftsmanship. The SKIL 10-inch Dual-Bevel Sliding Compound IS16305 ultimately stands out for its power and expansive cut capacity, making it a suitable choice for budget-conscious DIers and professionals who can deal with its dust collection limitations. The 3rd product on our list is the Ryobi 18V1 Plus 7. The Ryobi 18V1 Plus 7 1/4-inch single-bevel sliding compound PBT01B stands out in our tests for its impressive cut capacity and the convenience of cordless operation. It can perform cross-cuts through 2x10 lumber, which is among the top of its class. The saw also features an effective dust collection system and comes at an attractive price. It is ideal for folks needing a lightweight, portable saw with a generous cut capacity and are working with limited funds. Second on our list is the Dual 20V Max 7. The Dual 20V Max 7 1/4-inch single-bevel sliding compound DCS361B is a compact, battery-powered saw that sets itself apart with its user-friendly design, power, and efficient dust collection system. Its portable nature makes it an excellent choice for trim work on the go or use in smaller shop spaces where storage is a premium. With features like easy calibration, miter angle adjustments, a shadow cut indicator for precision, and safety-centric blade changes, it's a standout in functionality. This saw is best suited for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need a reliable, portable saw for light to medium-duty tasks. Finally, the top product on our list is the Dual 12-inch Single-Bevel Compound DW715. The Dual 12-inch Single-Bevel Compound miter saw DW715 emerges as a sturdy and efficient choice for those requiring precision and potency in their cutting tasks. Its ease of calibration and user-friendly blade change mechanism are highlights we discovered in our tests, alongside its 14 miter stops for versatile cutting angles. The saw's compact design is a bonus, particularly beneficial for space-conscious workshops or job sites, thanks to its effective dust collection system and build quality. This saw is tailored for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who prioritize accuracy and a clean workspace. It's particularly suitable for users handling standard lumber sizes and looking for a tool that maintains calibration over time for consistent accuracy. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.